Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
I will show how to connect an Excel file to a MySQL database step by step. First, install MySQL server or ensure network access to an existing host. Then download and install the MySQL ODBC driver, called MySQL connector/ODBC, matching your Excel business. Also install MySQL for Excel add-in from Oracle if you prefer native integration. Finally, confirm Excel version supports Power Query or get and transform features for modern connections and refresh capabilities. Also prepare credentials and note privileges for importing and exporting. Open Excel and use get data from other sources from ODBC to start. Select your DSN or configure a new DSN using MySQL connector/ODBC driver. Enter server host, port 3306, database name, username, and password. Use encryption or SSL if required by your server policy. After connecting, use Navigator to select tables or run a custom SQL query. Load or transform the data and schedule refreshes using query properties for automated updates. Test refresh operations and check permissions before deploying to users in production. You can also use MySQL for Excel add-in to connect directly and export tables into worksheets. Open the add-in, choose a MySQL connection, then pick schemas and tables to import. For advanced automation, use Python with Pandas and SQL Alchemy to read and write Excel with to SQL and read SQL query functions. Install packages, MySQL Connector Python, SQL Alchemy, Pandas, and OpenPixel or XLRD depending on Excel format. Secure credentials using environment variables or a configuration file outside version control. Test scripts locally and validate data types before running scheduled jobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.